Hey guys, so welcome to episode 2 in my 2019 makeup trends series. This is the look that I am going to show you how to create today, and it's something that I am so excited to show you because I have been loving this big bushy brow trend that has been going on. Okay, so to get this bushy eyebrows, I need some clear soap, and I actually wanted to DIY today. So you can use anything that is clear. So I am actually on the hunt for Pure's soap. I had actually seen this in Felix Arabia's IGTV, and he has this in-depth tutorial on how you can use that and DIY yourself. So that's what I wanted to do for you guys today in this video. So we're gonna go get some Pure's soap and try and achieve that really fluffy eyebrows. Trying to find Pure's. Let's take this one. And I paired it with a very clean makeup, very glossy, blurred lips, and it just is a beautiful everyday kind of look. I am so excited to show you. So let's get started. Let us start by prepping our base because it's so important for this look. I am using the Farsáli Unicorn Serum first, and it just makes your skin so dewy. And you need to try the Glamglow Glowstarter cream if you want that super radiant dewy effect. Just on its own, it gives you that amazing glow, and under the base it makes your skin looks like it's lit up from within. And I'm using this everywhere. For foundation, I'm using the Double Wear Nude Water Fresh, and this gives that very skin-like effect, very light. I wanted something very translucent for my foundation, and I spent much more time with my concealer, and I first began by applying it underneath my eyes, and I'm using a very small blending brush to use my concealer. I used it to apply it right on top of any acne that I have. I have a lot of redness underneath my nose, so I'm just like correcting it just where the problem is, and then I am also applying it on top of my eyes to like cut out any of the redness and also around my eyebrows. And for powder, I am only applying it where the concealer was applied because we do not want to reduce any of the dewiness that we achieved using that base. So to use this on the eyebrows, I am just going to spray a little bit of rose water. You can use Fix Plus, rose water, whatever. And I'm just spraying it directly on top of the soap like this. And then I am taking a spoolie like this. This is from NYX. And then I'm just going to load up the soap on the spoolie like so. And then I am going to take the spoolie and brush it upwards slowly and steadily, creating this upwards strokes and brushing all of my eyebrow hair upwards. This is super easy to do, and using soap really makes this effect long lasting. For this look, it was very important for me to open up my eyes, so I spent a good amount of time curling my eyelashes. I have a full tutorial on it, and I'm using one of my favorite mascaras from Maybelline, and you don't even need false lashes when you use this. And I think this was my favorite step in the entire process, just using liquid blush and building it up slowly. I absolutely love the formula of the YBP one that they had come out with Shreya Jain, and I think they've just done such a good job with the formula. And if you noticed, I'm using the same brush over and over again. I'm using the same M.A.C foundation brush, and that way everything just looks seamless and it's super easy to blend with this brush. I am using a liquid highlighter first. We're going to use a lot of highlighter, and I'm using a patting motion to pat it on top of my cheekbone first, and I'm also going to apply it very generously all over my neck and shoulders. Using a lip balm is actually one of my favorite tricks to get that glossy, wet looking highlighter look. Applying that all over my eyelids first, and I'm also going to take it on top of my cheekbones, not very heavily, just a little bit, whatever's left on the brush. I'm taking it onto my cheekbones, and then I'm taking a powder highlighter, in this case this OFRA one, which is amazing. And I'm just tapping it slightly on top, and that lip balm is going to catch onto it, and the lip balm and the powder highlighter together is going to give this beautiful glossy dewy effect. Try this if you haven't already. Lastly, for lips, I'm using a powder puff lipstick because that really gives that lift in effect instead of like a super harsh line that a liquid lip color gives you. I'm using the shade Shake It Off, and I thought it was just absolutely perfect to create that blurred out lipstick effect. And that's it for this look. I think it's super easy and I can't wait to see your recreations. That's it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this and found this helpful. I tried putting in as many tips as I could so that you guys get inspired to recreate this. And in case you do recreate it, I would love to see them, share them on my Instagram. So make sure you follow me there and please tag me in your pictures. And thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit on the bell icon so that you're notified whenever there is a new video. And that's it. Bye. I'll see you in my next one.